Okay. Uh, Good morning, 6th class students. What do animals eat? This is the fourth lesson in our syllabus. So actually, the first lesson is about food. What is food? Food gives health and energy. Okay, and food may be some ingredients that food may be spices like proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, rough phases, and water. Okay, so these proper is called a balanced diet. Okay, that is our food. And next lesson, playing with magnets. Playing with magnets are four types mainly. Okay, bar magnet, ring magnet, Arco magnet, and disc magnet. This is second lesson. And rain, where does it come from? Rain, where does it come from? That is the third lesson. And now you discuss about the fourth lesson. What do animals eat? What do animals eat? Okay, so already do you know animals? Okay, and what is the meaning of eat? To take any food material, that is called eat. Okay, so and what do animals eat? Okay, so before going to the class, actually depend on the surroundings and depend on the taking food material and depend on the taking food habits. These animals are mainly three types. One is the herbivorous animals. Herbivores or herbivorous animals. And second one is the carnivorous animals. And third one is the omnivorous animals. Okay, so mainly these are three types of animals. One is the herbivorous animals and carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. Okay, so depend on the taking food material and depend on the availability of food and to some food habitats. Okay, herbivorous mean to eat only plants or grass related plants. Eat plants or grass. That animals are called herbivorous animals. These animals only eat for plants or grass. Plants or grass. So that is the main point of the herbivorous animals. Okay. So what are the example of herbivorous animals? Example of herbivorous animals: cow, goat, okay, ox, buffalo, okay, and next rabbit. Okay, so these are animals belongs to herbivorous animals. Why? Because herbs herb. That means only plants or grass. That is called a herbivorous animals. Eat only plants or grass. Plants or grass. That is herbivorous animals. And next one, carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals mean eat flesh or meat. Eat flesh or meat. What is the meaning of flesh or meat? Flesh or meat means to eat depend on other animals. So that is the eat flesh or meat. Meat and chicken, mutton, fish, prawn, crab, okay, beef. So many items is there in the flesh and meat. Okay, that animals are called also carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals, example, rat depend on the cat depend on the rat. Okay, dog depend on the rat. Okay, fox depend on the other animals. Snake depend on the frog and small insects and some animals also. Okay, so that is the differentiation of carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals. In these carnivorous animals, only for eat flesh or meat. Flesh or meat. Okay, so that is carnivorous animals. And omnivorous animals. So both eat plants and flesh. Both eat plants and flesh. That is called omnivorous animals. That is called omnivorous animals. Okay. So depend on the taking food material and depend on the availability of the food. These are animals are mainly three types. One is the herbivorous animals, eat only plants or grass. That is herbivorous animals: cow, ox, buffalo, goat, sheep, okay, rabbit, okay, so giraffe, okay, so many animals belongs to this phylum herbivorous animals. And next one, carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals mean eat only flesh or meat. Flesh or meat. That animals depend on they are eat only plants. ఏవైతే ప్లాంట్స్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయినటువంటి యానిమల్స్ ఉంటుందో వాటి మీద ఇవి ఆధారపడి ఉంటాయి. సో దట్స్ వై కార్నివోరస్ యానిమల్స్ ఈట్ ఫ్లెష్ ఆర్ మీట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కార్నివోరస్ యానిమల్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఓమ్నివోరస్ యానిమల్స్. ఓమ్నివోరస్ animals. Omnivorous animals both eat plants and flesh. Both eat plants and flesh. So example is human being. Human being. Okay, human being, fox. Okay, eagle. So many animals belongs to omnivorous animals. Okay, so these are mainly three types. Fast. Okay, so actually each animal and each everything animal different type of taking. You can use the food and take the food and eat the food material. Okay, so in our observation in your surroundings, so many animals is there. Some animals called domestic animals are pet animals. Pet animals mean to protect yourself only for living our homes. Okay, so that is called domestic animals or pet animals. Okay, example cat, dog, okay, and some hens, okay, goat, sheep, rabbit, sparrow, some birds also, okay, and peacock, okay, and cock. Okay, so many different types of animals protect ourselves and himself also. Okay, so that's animal called also pet animals or domestic animals. Pet animals are domestic animals. Okay, and some animals live in only for wild and forest. That animals called wild animals or forest animals. Wild animals are forest animals. So these are mainly two types. Pet animals are domestic animals and wild animals are forest animals. Wild animals are forest animals. Okay, so every animal or every bird to eat different types and to eat different types of use some different types of methods. Okay, suppose observed birds. Birds use only different type of beak. Some beaks are very long and some beaks are very small. Some beaks are very sharp and some beaks are very thin or some beaks are very thick. Why? Because the depend on the taking food material. So that's why every bird has a beak. Every bird has a beak. Beak is used to equal to nose. Beak is equal to used to nose. Okay, so every bird use through the beak and collect the and gathering some food material. collecting or gathering from the food material. That is the type of a beak. Okay. So every bird has a beak, and the beak, the collecting the food material and gathering the food material and taking the food material also. Every board use take the main food material. What is the main food material? Food grains or seeds or some fruits or some seeds or food. Okay, and some birds use also take carnivores also, like crow, eagle. Crow and eagle also take the flesh or meat food material also. Okay, so that's why every animal and every bird have use the different types of methods. So now we discuss about used by different types of methods. So first one, sucking. Second one, licking. Peeling. Fourth one, grinding. Fifth one, chewing. Okay, so sucking, licking, peeling, grinding, chewing. Okay, different types of animals, different types of methods you can use the food and collect the food and eat the food material. Sucking means to just example is leech. Leech is a what animal? Only for leech is living in a water. So in our areas, just like villages, some seas, some ponds, rivers, lakes. So when we came inside to the river or lake or pond, the leech are attached to our body or our legs, and after that the suckers. What is it? Suckers. The sucking, the leech used by suckers, and you can observe or gathering from the food material through the called a blood. That is called a sucking. That is called a sucking. And after that, licking. Licking means like use only for dog. Just if you take any, suppose in a human beings, drink the water or liquid materials. But the dog only for licking, just in Telugu, naak, okay, licking, okay, and peeling. Some birds and some animals just by gathering the food material, taking the food material. That is the peeling, sucking, licking, and grinding and chewing. Already know about it. What is the grinding and chewing? Already you learned about the previous class in 5th class. Okay, so grinding and chewing mean already we have in our mouth 4 types of teeth is there. Okay, incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors, canines, premolar and molar. Okay, these 4 types of teeth you can use, and the incisors cut the food, canines chew the food, premolar and molars. Premolar and molar chew the food and swallowing the food. So these types of food called a grinding and chewing. In human being, 4 types of teeth. Some teeth are cutting, some teeth are grinding, some teeth are chewing, and some teeth are swallowing. Okay, so that is the different types of method you can use by the different types of animals. One is the sucking, licking, peeling, grinding, and chewing. Okay, so these 5 steps are, these 5 methods are very important to how to take the food material and how to collect the food material by the animals. Okay. So these 5 methods are very useful to collect the food material and taking the food methods. Okay. So now we will give example some. Suppose you can observe the dog. Okay. Dog have 4 limbs. Okay. So they suppose human being 2 hands and 2 legs, but some animals having more animals have 4 legs. That's mean limb. Okay, so first you 2 limbs, forelimb and back limb. Forelimb you can use and collect the food material and take the through the mouth. Okay, so and after that some dogs eat flesh and meat also, and some dogs eat some food material also. But the same different the food material taking. Every dog first before you observe the food tasting, and first you gather the smell, and that is called a licking. Okay, so that is in the observation of the food in the dog. Okay, and some birds, suppose hen. Hen having only 2 legs, just the legs have a clams. So these are called claws. These are called claws. Okay. First you observe the food material and collect the through the claws and take the that beak use. Okay. So first you take the food and the observation through the claws, and you can take the beak. Take the beak. Okay. So that is the different type of a dog and hen. Dog and hen. This was in observation. In a suppose are you saw the cricket players through wicket keeper, you can use only gloves. Okay, actually in our observation in our hand, the gap to finger, finger to finger. So the finger to finger is gap is, suppose if we can throw this place and come outside, but in the class or gloves, so if you take any the thing or any tool, they have come outside. They have not come outside. Why? Because these places are covered to the cloth. These places are covered to the cloth. That is called a class. Same the class have a main things. Though all boards have a class. All boards have a class. So the class are easily flying one place to another place and to collect the food material and to gathering the food material. Okay. So that is the different types. Hen and the dog. Hen and the dog taking the food material and taking the types of food methods. Types of food methods. So different types of food methods in all animals and in all birds, and every animal and every bird taking the food material through the very different styles and different methods. Okay, suppose the tiger. The tiger, first you observe and first you very carefully observe, and after that exit the fight the against. Okay, so after that you can use the tears. Tears mean cutting teeth. Tear. Okay, so and after that only you can eat and every part. Okay, and lion. Okay, elephant through trunk, elephant. Okay, so every animal has a different type of using the taking the food material, and every animal use a different types of you can use the food material. Okay, so now we entered the different types of animals. You can use the chain system. Chain system. What is chain system? Chain system. Chain system means depend on the others. Suppose in our neck you observe the chain linked with the other particles. This is chain. Every part has linked with the others. Every part linked with the others, or every part linked with the connected with the other part. That is called a chain, and that is called a chain. This belongs to called food chain. Food chain. Okay. Okay, these foods are different types of food chains is called some food web. Food web. Okay, suppose depend on the grass. They have no any dependence on the grass, and grass grasshopper. Grasshopper depend on a rabbit or anyone. Sorry. Squirrel. Squirrel depend on some snake, and snake depend eagle. So these called a food chain. These called a food chain. First, grass herbivores. They have no any depend on the others or other animals. But grasshopper depend on the grass. Squirrel depend on the grasshopper. Snake depend on the squirrel, and eagle depend on the snake. These are called food chain. These are called food chain. So many food chains are different forms here. Food web. Food web. Okay, this is the what to do animals. What to do animals eat. Okay, so this is the part one of what to do animals. Okay, so different types of food chains and different types of food webs, and each animal you can take any food material. Suppose sparrow, oliver depend on fruits or grains or seeds. Okay, so crow depend on other animals like frog. Okay, small insects and grains and someone. Okay, so this is the what do animals eat. Okay, next class continues going, and thank you.